The story of the Toyota GR86 is deeply tied to Toyota's mission of keeping affordable sports cars alive in a world where performance often comes with a high price tag. The GR86 is the latest chapter in Toyota's lightweight, rear-wheel drive sports car lineage that traces back to the legendary AE86 of the 1980s. The modern revival began in the early 2010s. Toyota, under the leadership of then-President Akio Toyoda, wanted to bring excitement back to the brand. Akio Toyoda, a true driving enthusiast himself, pushed for a new, affordable sports car focused on balance, handling, and fun values that made the AE86 a cultural icon. To achieve this, Toyota partnered with Subaru, combining Toyota's design and engineering vision with Subaru's expertise in boxer, engines, and chassis development. In 2012, the world was introduced to the Toyota 86, also known as the Scion FRS in North America, and Subaru, BRZ, through Subaru's badge. This first-generation car featured a naturally aspirated 2.0L flat-four boxer engine, producing around 200 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission. It was rear-wheel drive, had near-perfect weight distribution, and was intentionally lightweight. Critics praised it for being a driver's car in its purest form, though some wished for more power. Even without big horsepower numbers, the Toyota 86 became a cult favorite. It found fans in drifting, grassroots racing, and among enthusiasts who valued handling and driver engagement over straight-line speed. Its affordability and tonability also made it popular in the car modification community, much like the AE86 decades earlier. Fast forward to 2021, and Toyota unveiled the second generation, officially named the Toyota GR86. With the GR standing for Gazoo Racing, Toyota's global motorsport division. This wasn't just a name change, it marked Toyota's commitment to infusing their sports cars with racing DNA. The GR86 2022 present brought major improvements. Under the hood was a larger 2.4L flat-four engine, now producing 228 horsepower and significantly more torque. Addressing the biggest criticism of the first gen, this gave the car quicker acceleration and stronger mid-range performance while retaining its lightweight philosophy. Toyota refined the chassis with more rigidity, improved aerodynamics, and sharper handling dynamics, ensuring it remained an accessible yet thrilling driver's car. Design-wise, the GR86 evolved into a more aggressive and modern coupe while still keeping classic proportions: long hood, low stance, and short rear deck. Inside, Toyota upgraded materials, added modern infotainment, and improved ergonomics without losing the simplicity that sports car purists love. The GR86 also became a true motorsport contender. Toyota promoted it heavily in grassroots racing and drifting events, cementing it as a direct spiritual successor to the AE86 enthusiasts. Quickly embraced it as one of the last affordable RWD sports cars available in a market dominated by SUVs and electrification. Today, the GR86 represents Toyota's philosophy of fun. To drive made accessible, it carries the AE86's DNA of lightweight balance, everyday usability, and tuner-friendly design, while also pushing forward with modern performance improvements. With Gazoo Racing's influence, it stands as not just a car for enthusiasts, but also a living reminder that Toyota hasn't forgotten the importance of pure driving excitement. In essence, the Toyota GR86 is proof that a car doesn't need massive horsepower or a luxury badge to be loved. It just needs to connect the driver to the road. That's the spirit Toyota has carried from the AE86 of the 1980s to the GR86 of today.